Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It has been a very long while, guys. It's been months. These past months have literally just been hectic, chaotic, stressful, name it all. I've been through so much, guys. Like 2021 has been a bittersweet year for me, I must say. I'm thankful, grateful to God. There's been a lot of challenges I've faced, you know, a lot of stress, family stress, work stress, tenant stress, everything stress. It's been a lot, but I'm here, I'm alive, I'm healthy, thank God. So I just have to just be thankful because yeah, some people didn't see it to this year. So anyway, guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Deborah. Make sure you subscribe, like, check out my other travel vlogs and my other property videos. And yes, guys, so today's video is going to be about renovation, property renovation. And I thought I'll just do like an introduction just to give you guys an understanding as to how renovation works goes, and like where you start from, or how to start, or what to do, and just the process of it all, because at times I feel like my previous videos just shows it to you and doesn't actually talk you through it. So I thought, let me just do a video which will talk you guys through it. I think I'll do this video in 2 parts. So, and that's just simply because the renovation that we did it in 2 parts, so we split it. So we started off with the upstairs, did the whole of upstairs, and then moved downstairs just because of storage. So we took all the furniture from upstairs and placed it all downstairs in the lounge. So yes, guys, and yeah, it was a full house renovation, full rewiring, and all of that sort of stuff. So yeah, I'll just get right through into it. So I'm gonna show you guys a clip of the property when it was first bought back in November 2019. So guys, so the whole of upstairs was stripped from like all the rooms, the wallpaper, carpet, flooring, everything was stripped. The bathroom as well, all the tiles were taken out, the bathtub, the toilet, the sink, everything stripped out. Guys, so it is day 3 of construction works. Oh god, I'm actually recording in the night. Let me just turn on the light. Okay, so what have they done to the bathroom? Oh wow, he's not even taking the bath out yet. Okay, he's just ripped off the flooring. What has he done here? Okay, so he's plastered that back wall, guys. Can you see? So that back wall has been plastered. It has been skimmed. This is his little mixer, as you can see. So we still got this whole thing to skim. The ceiling's done, and these 2 walls. So we need to do that wall. We need to do this one as well. Everything around here. Alright, so this room needs to be skimmed as well. The radiator needs to be taken out. So we'll see what he gets done tomorrow. Okay. Are coming out. get a new set of wardrobes. So this was all my wardrobe space before, and now it is all coming out. So this is the before. As well, guys, as you can see, ripped out the stairs. We've got a bit more to do in this room in ripping up the wallpaper. Oh, we need to fix this ceiling as well. So there was a leak, I think, early this year. One of the roof slates broke, so it started leaking through. So yes, we're gonna have to fix this. Guys, so they've knocked down that big thing that was, you know, I had some shelves up there. Like, it's empty. I actually thought there was some sort of piping inside it. But yes, guys, as you can see, all broken out. So we're gonna basically just build something going across like there, and then we'll put some wardrobes up, sort of utilize that space. But yeah, week 1, works continue. It's a whole mess upstairs. Done a bit of plastering as well in this room, so we've plastered the roof, plastered the back wall. Yeah, so after all the rooms and everything was stripped out, literally the electrician came in and he did a lot of chasing. But we got the spotlights in, guys. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we did 5 at the end. And then we've got the spotlights in the bathroom as well. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So once this all was done, the plastering did take about, I think, between 5 to 7 days. After 5 days, you know, everywhere was dried, but probably just gave it an extra couple days to dry. So you know, when you paint over it, it's, you know, you get a nicer finish. So that's, yeah, that's the first part of it, guys. So whilst the works were getting done, I had to go out and look for bathroom tiles, you know, what toilet I wanted, what bathtub I wanted, what vanity unit I wanted, painting, so colors of paint of what I wanted this to be painted and all that sort of stuff. So yes, guys, so I went out to some stores, checked some tiles. Here are some stores that I checked out. So today I am looking for bathrooms, doing some renovation works, and I am looking for bathrooms. So I'm here with my sister. Don't please. She doesn't want to be recorded, so you're just gonna see my face today. Stadium Bathroom Centre. Interesting. Oh, is that where the Greyhound thing is? Yeah. Oh, is it good? But this is a nice bathtub. Yeah, but this is what I was talking about. The sides, should one opt for the side taps?
Oh, what is in the middle?
Yeah.
Well, your waterfall ones are normally in the middle. It's not like here on the end.
Yeah, you could do it stuck to the wall. Guys, this is another local shop called Tile Smart. So let's see what they have in here. Oh my gosh, look at this, is nice. This is nice.
This is nice. And it's black.
I actually love this sort of style, and this is at B VBS Hornchurch and boiling supplies. Let's go in. When you have darker tiles, you can see it. Even if you put lights in it, it's not as light. This showroom alone, it smells so nice. Like, and this setup here looks really luxury. But yeah, I think this is the last showroom for today. We've been to like what, 4 or 5 bathroom showrooms. I'm just gonna make up my mind, like pick the towels, get over and done with, bang 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 bang, because you just waste a lot of time being indecisive, and I just can't afford that because I just don't have the time anymore. After all the bathroom shopping, started looking at paints. I went to B&Q, like a mixing paint desk, which is called Valspar, and went there and got some paint samples. So that's Magic Touch, and then that's Magic Touch 30% lighter. This is Strong White, and that's Strong White 30% lighter. I didn't want to go for the Weather because that's just too light. So I'm thinking probably to go for the Strong White, but 10% lighter. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Paint, oh gosh, it was so hard. I ended up, guys, upon all the back and forth of looking for different colors, samples and everything, I ended up just going for white. I ended up just painting the whole house white. Yes, white, guys, you can see the background. White paint, because it was so stressful. You go get this shade, get that shade, turns out like this, buy this sample, you buy the real fit, the actual pour, and the samples just don't correspond to the actual paint color. So yeah, I ended up just painting the whole house white. After at one point I just got tired, like I can't come and kill myself, like I just painted. And I think I bought like an off-white color, and my builder, he was like, why are you wasting all this money on this off-white paint? Like, it looks white, you might just buy it white. So yeah, ended up painting the whole house white, guys. So yeah, I got a white house. Guys, a white house is so hard to maintain. Like, you work for the house. The house does not work for you, you work for the house. So if you want to paint your house white, guys, like really think about it. Like, it's expensive to maintain a white house. So yeah, that's just a tip right there. But yeah, so after the plastering dried and all that sort of stuff, we went in with the paint. First you have to go in with like a primer, so you prime the walls, give it a first coat, let that dry, and then go in with the actual paint and then paint it second coat. Typically I think I gave it like 3 coats or 4 coats because I'm just extra like that. But yeah, so after all the painting was done, I got the carpet installed. So I did go to quite a few local shops to sort of like look at the different carpets, but I ended up just going to Carpetright. I think Carpetright actually have like good quality carpets for like a good price. So guys, I was thinking of going for this carpet. It's like a grey sort of mink colour. Obviously the camera doesn't do it justice, but this was something I was looking to go for. If you can see the colour, it's like grey mink. And what is it? It's £20 per square metre. So yeah, I have to sort of get things on the roll, guys, because if I was to get things out on display, I'd have to order it. But if you go for things on the roll, like it's readily available, you can take it home, and your girl does not have time to order because I'm in a very tight time scale. So yeah, we're gonna go for this one. Just nip it in the bud and go for this one. It's called I Sense Grandeur. Just need to hoover it, but this side as well. Yeah, carpet. What do you think of the carpet?
It's nice.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Is it the right colour? it's a grey mink, yeah. How's he gonna fit the, okay, around the boiler area? Yeah. Forgot to mention ceiling lights. So overall in the house, decided to opt for spotlights for like the bathroom, the kitchen and the lounge. So the only rooms that didn't have spotlights were the bedrooms, so I had to go look for ceiling lights, and like that took forever, but eventually got there in the end. So guys, I quite like this one here. This one's really nice. I think this is it. Yeah, how much is this one? £120 for a flipping ceiling light, guys. This is how much I'm gonna spend on chandeliers in the room. But you know what? I'd like to wake up to nice chandeliers. This one's a bit too diamanted, but yeah. Let's see. The lights are on. Dun, dun, dun. All right guys, I just wanted to ask you guys a question with the lighting. So would you opt for the cool white? So this is the cool white and this is the warm white. So basically trying to get a feel. Comment in the comments below. Does that make sense? Yeah guys, comment in the comments below what you would opt for. So that's cool white, this is cool white, and that's warm white. Let me know in the comments below guys, what lighting do you prefer? Yes guys, it was so expensive, but we thank God. That's all I have to say this year. Thank God, glory be to God, because I just have to thank God, yeah, because he made it possible, he made it work. Renovation works is not cheap, especially after COVID. Things just literally went out the roof, like everything doubled. In a summary guys, so like with renovation works, start off with stripping and stripping, putting the electrical points, then plastering, painting, then you do the flooring. Flooring typically comes at the end, and yes guys, like that's it in a summary. So many thanks for watching. I would also have more renovation vlogs coming out guys. Make sure you follow deronmuproperties on Instagram guys. Make sure you follow. So it's a company whereby specializing in full house renovation works, full refurbishment. You know, if you need your bathroom done, if you need your kitchen done, an extension, you know, vegetation clearance, landscaping, everything guys. Make sure you follow on Instagram, and please make sure you subscribe as well guys. Thank you so much for subscribing if you have already subscribed, and comment below guys. Let's engage, let's talk. Let me know what you guys want to see. Do you enjoy the property renovation vlogs, or do you want to see more other stuff guys? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I appreciate you guys. You know, I will be doing a giveaway as well guys, so make sure you stay tuned. Thank you so much. I'm monetized guys, I'm finally monetized, and I'm so happy guys. Got monetized I think a good 6 months back, but life happens, so I will be doing a giveaway as well. Comment below and let me know what guys you want, like, you know, what giveaways you guys will be interested in and all that sort of stuff. So yes, thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Ciao.